Hello, it's Cam at Stafford Land Rover showing you today this approved used Land Rover Rover Evoque finished in blue. This 2023 model comes with a 1.5 P300e engine petrol plug-in hybrid and is an automatic. The large front LED headlights will keep the road well illuminated, offering great visibility, especially at night. And this car stands on 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels with the 10 split-spoke design. Making our way into the back of the car, we will see the panoramic sunroof, followed by the ebony leather seats, which do contain ISOFIX points on either side. There is also a fold-down armrest, which will reveal 2 exposed cup holders, and the backseat passengers can utilise their own AC unit, which does have 2 USB ports and a 12-volt socket. Making our way up front, we see the continuation of the black ebony leather interior. We can also find the large panoramic sunroof up front and the continuation of the same ebony leather seats with additional side supports that are electronically adjustable. Taking a closer look at the multifunctional 3-spoke leather-wrapped steering wheel, we will find controls on the left for the virtual cockpit as well as the voice control, and on the right for the cruise control and the heated steering wheel. The virtual cockpit itself has different display options to best suit the driver preference. This includes 1 and 2 dial as well as satellite navigation imagery. Moving on to the main infotainment system, there is satellite navigation, which does include useful shortcuts such as nearby charging stations and fuel stations. We can also access radio, which includes FM and DAB, and you can use Bluetooth to connect to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The controls for the heated seats are found here as well, with varying levels of power to best suit the current weather conditions. And finally, by clicking the camera button in the lower left corner, we can pull up the rear view parking camera to help manoeuvre this larger vehicle. Below the infotainment system, there is a fold down compartment which will include a storage tray as well as a USB-C charging port. The automatic gear selector fits comfortably in the hand and glides effortlessly through the different gear options. Behind the centre console, there is also 2 exposed cup holders, and the leather wrapped armrest can be lifted up to reveal a storage pocket inside with a USB-C charging port. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on this approved used Land Rover Rover Evoque. For any more information, please get in touch with our sales team now.